Namaste and welcome to another episode of Wellness Sutra, your one place for authentic knowledge of yoga and Ayurveda. So, what's the special dish today, which is inspired from Ayurveda? So, today we are making a chickpea salad with some herbs and spices, which will help build the muscles in your body, because a lot of times the body needs something which can help nourish your body, and this is a very nourishing meal. So, if you're a Vata body type, go for it and enjoy it. Also, if you're a Pitta body type, you can add some mint to it and some other spices like fennel and cumin to add the taste and also to cool down the salad. So let's see what do we need for it. We are going to have 1 cup of boiled chickpea. I have boiled it, soaked overnight and boiled in a cooker. But you can also use the canned one. I always prefer to boil mine because it kind of reduces the extra salt and sodium and extra preservatives which comes from the can. But if you're in too much hurry and you don't have option, I would say use the canned one. That's fine. Then what else we need? We need some chopped vegetables. So I have some chopped tomatoes, lettuce, some pineapple for the astringent flavor. You know, pineapple is astringent, so I'm trying to balance the flavor with different tomatoes for sourness, pineapples for astringent, lettuce will have some sweetness, and I have some carrots too. The pomegranate goes very well in this recipe. So if you have a pomegranate, right now there is no pomegranate season where I live, but you can add some pomegranate to it. You can also add some mangoes. So raw mangoes, because they are really sour and they kind of add very good hint to the spice. So those are optional. If you have them, grab them and use them. Also, you can add cucumber to it. So these are different options to make this salad. And for the dressing, I am trying to keep it simple. We need some salt, black pepper. For the sweetness, I'm right now using a maple syrup. It's gifted by a friend who comes from Maine, and it's a very good quality maple syrup. So I'm using this maple syrup, and I'm using some lemon. That's it, I think. And we will add some olive oil for our good fat. And it becomes a very good salad, be it winter, be it summer, fall, spring, any time of the year, you can have it. And it's a good to have it in the afternoon than the evening, because chickpea is a little heavy for your stomach. So better to consume it in the afternoon and enjoy it. So let's see how do we make it. First, let's have the dressing. For the dressing, you need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, salt and black pepper is something you can add as per your own taste. You don't have to go with my measurement. If you want to reduce or increase, please do it. Then have half of lime or lemon. You can choose between lime and lemon, no problem, anything is fine. And probably 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix this very well. Now take a bowl. Just keep your dressing ready. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of chickpea. It goes well for 2 people. So if you want to make for 1 person, then make sure you are using only half the chickpea. And then add all the vegetables into this. And first mix everything well. Once you add everything well, pour your dressing on top of it and then mix it. If your chickpea has already salt, then maybe you don't want to add salt. So remember that. I would like to add some pumpkin seeds on top of this. It gives the crunch. You can also add walnuts or cranberries for some sweetness. Some sesame seeds for a little bit of calcium, which our body needs. And here is the salad ready. Don't you like the color? It's so colorful and bright. It looks so nice. Let me try and taste it. See how does it taste. It tastes very nice because I can have all the flavors coming from this bowl. The sweetness, the sourness, the pungentness, astringentness. So it's like a perfect bowl for me any time of the day. So enjoy it. Let me know how do you like it. And don't forget to subscribe because that helps me make more videos for you and help you in your health journey. Thank you.